to Cracker Barrel tonight. It's my last night in St. Louis. I'm not going back to the Cracker Barrel. I found a Camping World that'll be pretty awesome. A new grocery store I never heard of. I'm gonna grab dinner. And the sunset though. The sunset is gorgeous. Give me a second. Pretty awesome sunset. So I'm gonna go grab dinner and then make some food, and maybe I might go to Planet Fitness and get a shower in tonight so I don't have to do anything. Alright, the store is weird. I'm going somewhere else. Alright, I'm going to Planet Fitness. And I'm gonna hit up Five Guys, get a few burgers. And then I'm gonna hit up Camping World and call that camp for the night. We'll see how this goes. This is the busiest Planet Fitness I've ever seen in my life. Good workout, good shower. Time to go get dinner now. I'm starving. Tonight we are at Camping World. It's gonna be a little safer than Cracker Barrel, I think. About 20 minutes out of St. Louis, and I'm not worried about a shootout tonight. So that's definitely a good thing. Back into the office today just for a little bit, and then headed to Colorado this afternoon. Probably won't make it tonight. I'll probably have to stop somewhere. Maybe another Cracker Barrel, we'll see. Well, work today went well. Didn't really get a chance to vlog it all today during the day. I was very busy just with my team and catching up with them. I haven't seen them in a while, and I am headed towards Colorado. The next stop I have is Rocky Mountain National Park. Definitely not going to get there tonight, so I'll have to probably find a place to stop and stay tonight, and then I'll make the rest of the drive tomorrow. One of my favorite things about driving west is driving into the sunsets, and you get some good ones. All right, stopped at a rest stop. I don't know, somewhere in Kansas. It says I've got 7 hours until I get to Rocky Mountain National Park, so definitely can get some sleep. It's about midnight. My van's kind of long for these parking spots. I might have to park sideways. Let's see. But it's kind of sticking out a little bit. I might just line it up straight. There's not hardly any cars here tonight, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. Let's see. I was pulling straight right here, and it shouldn't be an issue. Well, I think this is gonna be where I sleep tonight. Catch you guys in the morning, and we'll continue the trip. Good morning. Oh. Slept pretty well for a rest stop. I think I was just really tired. Some loud trucks and stuff throughout the night, but pretty crazy. Well, I'm gonna get it up, start working, and I got pretty good cell coverage here, so this will be a good place to work for a bit, and then I'll get back on the road. Got down to the 20s last night. Had the heater on. Had it set to 62. Wasn't too bad. I'll probably warm it a little bit for working. Salt, first thing in the morning, every morning. Gotta get some good electrolytes in you. All right, I'm gonna work for a bit, and then we're gonna get back on the road and head to Colorado. We'll be in Colorado here in a couple hours, and then it'll be a couple more hours to get to Rocky Mountain National Park. I'm not sure where I'm gonna stay tonight. I could probably stay a little bit outside the park at like a Cracker Barrel or something, but I'm gonna see if I can find some camping for the night. It'd be nice to get away from all the sound and find somewhere nice and peaceful for today and tomorrow, and I don't know, we'll see what we find. This is kind of the reality of working full-time from the road. Some days you're in rest areas, just getting through the day, and then being able to travel after you're done with work, and then usually the whole week is just focusing on just where can I go that has good cell coverage. I do have Starlink, which is awesome, so once I get to a nice campsite I can stay there a few days. I'll use Starlink, but for the most part you're just kind of bouncing around working during the week, and then the weekends are kind of time for play. So still kind of getting used to this pace, but right now I'm absolutely loving it, and this van makes it really easy. Time for another easy, quick meal for lunch. love cheese. These things are so good. Drive on 70 is literally the most boring drive in the United States. It is brutal. What comes after the drive is awesome. This road kind of sucks when it's really nasty, just because the wind blows over the top of it and it ices sometimes. You definitely got to be careful, even if there's not that much snowfall. We may not make it to Denver tonight. Parts of the road are icing over really bad. Still have about 109 miles until I turn on to Fort Collins. So we'll see. We'll see if I had to stop somewhere. And the cool thing about being in your van, I'm in my home, so I'll be comfortable and hang out until the roads get cleared. So it's probably time to get off the highway. People are spinning out pretty bad, and it's pretty icy. Got a van here that went off the road. People are helping him though. Not fun. So I'll probably, I think there's an exit up here. I'll probably get off the exit and just hang out for a bit. And we probably won't get to Denver until tomorrow. So that's all right. All right, here's our exit, Flagler. I think there's a gas station here. Jeep's probably going way too fast. There's so many patches of ice. First thing I need to do is dress appropriately for a blizzard. I've been wearing flip-flops and shorts, so it's more comfortable for traveling, but now that it's nasty out, I need to dress a little bit better. And then I'm going to fill up with diesel. My heater in this van runs off of the same diesel that the engine runs off, so just make sure that's full. And then I don't think I'm going to get snowed in more than 12 hours or so. I don't think it's going to be that bad, but hopefully it passes quickly. Guessing there's some pretty bad wrecks on the highway. People were going off the highway when I was getting off, and they're actually probably going to close the highway, unfortunately. So we're stuck. All right, salt trucks are on the road. I think I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to put the van in 4-wheel drive and take it slow. It says should stop snowing in about like 30 minutes. So hopefully it's not too bad. The wind's died down a little bit. Earlier it was pretty bad. And I'm bundled up. Got jeans and I got my boots on, so I'll be all right. But yeah, we're gonna keep going, see if we can make it to Denver tonight. It's not that late. It's only like 5:30, so we'll see if we can do it. Well, I got the van in 4-wheel drive. It's kind of why I bought it, just to use it to go anywhere. It's driving really fine. I'm doing 40 miles per hour. Most people are off the road now, but the salt trucks are laying down a pretty good layer of salt, so I think we'll be fine. But yeah, it's slow going for a bit. Probably I'm going to be about an hour or two later, and it looks like there might be some traffic on the way in, probably just because of snow and accidents and all that good stuff. So, but we should be fine. But this is my view right now. Nobody on the road. So it looks like I got through this part of the highway before they shut it down. The other side is completely shut down though. I'm guessing if they shut down that side of the highway, I'm probably going to have to get off the highway up here, maybe in a mile or two. I see some lights up here, so we'll see what happens. Ooh, that is a bad wreck. That Ace truck passed me earlier flying too, before I got off the highway to take a break. I made it past Denver. Actually went up to Loveland. I'm gonna go into Planet Fitness, get a workout in, shower, and then find a place to sleep for the night. And then tomorrow's Rocky Mountain National Park. This is vlog number 2, I guess, so I don't really know how to end or start these vlogs, so I'll call this the end of the vlog number 2. It was pretty hairy. We ran into fog and just crazy conditions on the way here today, but I'm glad I got here. I think it was like 10 hours of driving today, so I'm glad it's done. But thanks for watching.